Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to set a moving GIF as your background in Google Chrome. It's quick and easy. First, open your browser and search for a GIF you'd like to use. You can use Google Images. Just make sure to click on the Images tab and then filter your results to find animated GIFs. A quick way to check is to click on one and see if it's moving. Once you find a GIF you like, right-click on it and choose Save Image As. Now here's an important step. In the Save dialog, go to the Downloads folder and manually type .png at the end of the file name. It's okay if the image is still a GIF. The PNG extension helps Chrome accept it for the background. Then click Save. Next, open a new tab in Google Chrome. In the bottom right corner of the new tab page, you'll see a button that says Customize Chrome. Click on that, then choose Change Theme and tap on Upload an Image. Now navigate to your Downloads folder, select the GIF image you just saved and double-click it. Chrome will now set that animated GIF as your new tab background. If it's truly animated and formatted correctly, you should now see a moving background every time you open a new tab. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tips.